All right, we're back. We're gonna be working back on our truck. We're gonna get this thing built. You guys wanna stay around till the end because it'll give you a glimpse of what's to come. Also, I apologize for skipping our truck build last week. We had the opportunity to film with Fab Rats. We got to ceramic coat his Duramax. So I'll leave a link down here. Hopefully you guys enjoy this episode. They want 15 grand to paint my truck. It's an 05 F-150. I'm not doing that. Too much. So guys, I'm gonna save some money by doing this stuff myself. I struggle through it a little bit, but it keeps the cost way down. Hey, what you doing? Just hanging out?
Hanging out.
Yeah, that's cool.
We're gonna try to unplug these sensors and remove the bumper. But I've never done this. Have you done this?
Oh yeah, dude, every day.
Oh, well that's cool.
Like I said before, he's a lot smarter than I am. Going down.
This one though sucks because it's hard to reach. I might actually have to use my finger on this one.
All right, well, sorry you missed this. Well, I didn't actually record. So we had to take this top off and take some bolts out. It is a T45, and then bumper will come up. Okay, should be loose. Just like that, done. We got so excited about painting those handles, we forgot to do the bed rails on the back. We got it today. This time we might actually tape it. We're almost professionals and almost car guys. So we know a thing or two because we've seen a thing or two. If you guys know what that's from, let me know in the comments. Dun, 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 dun. One more wipe down with oil and grease remover. I never showed you this step before, but we're gonna roll with it today. Hope you guys have enjoyed the videos so far. We put like this much effort into them. Let us know what you guys would like to see. No, I'm just kidding. We actually put some effort into it. It's hard to be funny. I don't get paid for this. Put it on thick where it almost runs. I like to do like 20 or 30 coats. I'm not going to show you all that on camera, but it gives me like, I don't know if it helps the trim, but it gives me like this special feeling that I'm doing a good job. And that's what's important. Sometimes you can make it sound like maracas. You guys can't see Ian, but he's secretly doing that in the background behind the camera. I get bored. And just like that, bed rails are painted. Good. Good enough. Always tape your keyhole. When you're done, a lot of guys try to save this tape for another job. So if you're gonna do that, you make a nice little ball so you can untangle it later. Follow me for more tips. When your tape breaks like this and it kind of pulls apart, just use duct tape to patch it back together. It's a little bit stronger. And then you can reuse it again down the road. It untangles, within a few hours. And when you're done, save it for later. Some would say that I'm a hack, but I know nothing about computers, so I don't even know what they're talking about. Hacker, yeah, not this guy. I just tell them I dig ditches. Used to.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to massage it for a while. What this does is it warms up the tape and it gets it more ready for paint. So like, I'm not gonna go massage it for the normal hour or two that I normally do. Spare you guys from watching me do this for a while. On like a really high-end paint job, like you probably should blow tack and static it, but I'm not near as good as Robbie Layton, and I don't claim to be. So we're just gonna wipe it down, and we're gonna roll with it. You gotta tape your keyhole. Don't forget about that. There's a lot of different ways to tape your keyhole. Sometimes you can just put it in there, but I like to do this. Yeah, just like that, where it falls on the ground. Do that. Take my shank. I'm gonna cut me a pretty little circle here, ish. You always have ish because it leaves room for air when you suck. Again, you want to spray this till it like runs. There you have it. Another paint tutorial finished. Guys, I hate to brag, but when you're good, you're good. Nobody makes it look this good. Or, I don't know.
Oh, dang. Who keeps scratching this?
Good morning, guys. I'm here with Coney this morning. We're done messing around. We're gonna get this thing sanded today. We've got a little update on Coney. Check it out. We are getting ready to sand this thing. Add a little patina to it. All right. Hey, today is the day. You will find out what the name means. All right. Follow along. We'll show you what we're going to do.